Hi, I'm Sean O'Kane with Cadence Design Systems, and welcome to another edition of So You Think You're an Expert. Do you like to learn about new technologies at your own convenience of time and place? Do you struggle to debug where the bugs really are in your design or tool? Do you want to learn and develop skills to become an advanced user of methodologies to gain fast closure of your design? The Cadence Support Portal is the solution. Cadence Support Portal is designed to give you more information in less time with no hassle, such as installation and licensing, product manuals, what's new, troubleshooting information, and our video library. Learn how the comprehensive knowledge base can help you quickly adopt Cadence tools and technologies. You can resolve and debug issues faster, study new trends and features, and make a learning plan for yourself with the powerful rapid adoption kits and videos developed by Cadence experts specifically for you. Cadence engineers leave no stone unturned when it comes to sharing knowledge through well-documented methodologies and technologies through our deep dive application notes combined with short videos to get you started on a new technology, features, or provide debug tips. The result is less work for you. The site provides you excellent search and navigation capabilities to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, if you're a new user of Cadence products, just follow a simple registration process and get started. Now, we understand your time is important, and that's why we have this online resource for you 24/7. So welcome aboard, and just go to support.cadence.com to get started, and you can be an expert with Cadence design tools. No, just go right here. It's free.